In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. MetaTrader 5 is a powerful, versatile platform predominantly used for trading. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, installing MetaTrader 5 is your essential first step. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in MetaTrader 5. This step ensures you land on the right page, as there are a multitude of other sites out there. Once you've searched, look through the results list, and your aim is to find the official MetaTrader 5 website. It's crucial to ensure you're on the right page to avoid any third-party sites which might not provide the most recent software updates. After locating the official link, go ahead and click on it. This should direct you straight to the MetaTrader 5 homepage. Here on the homepage, you'll find several download options, corresponding to different operating systems like Windows or Mac. Make sure you select the correct system to avoid compatibility issues. Once you've selected your operating system, click on the Download MetaTrader 5 link. Depending on your internet speed, this download should only take a couple of moments. With the file downloaded, navigate over to your computer's download folder. Here you will find the newly downloaded MetaTrader 5 executable file. Locate the file, and to begin the installation, double-click it. This will activate the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the installation process. Once the wizard opens, you're going to see a prompt displaying the license agreement. It's always a good idea to read through these agreements, though often lengthy, as they detail important terms and conditions. After reviewing, click Next to proceed, and the installation will commence. It should only take a minute or so. Once the installation reaches completion, you'll see an option to finish. Click this, and you're almost there. Excitingly, MetaTrader 5 will automatically open post-installation, inviting you to jump straight into trading. And there you have it. MetaTrader 5 is all set up and ready for you to explore its vast features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice various panels and tools available to enhance your trading experience. If you encounter any issues during installation, make sure to check your system requirements or consult the official MetaTrader support for assistance. Congratulations on successfully setting up MetaTrader 5. You're now ready to start trading with this robust tool. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your trading journey with MetaTrader 5.